All right, example 4 from section 11.5 is going to be kind of interesting. It's going to be kind of fun, I think. We're going to be using the information that they've given us in our core concepts and kind of work backwards to solve for what they're going to be asking for us to solve. So the first thing I want to do is write those down just so I can have it. Now they're talking about cylindrical packing tubes. So I'm going to go back to my core concept, the volume of a cylinder, just so I have this in front of me. And the area of the base is pi r squared times height. Okay, because I might need this, all right? And we know that the area of a circle, is pi r squared. Okay, so I'm just remembering the information that I've learned previously, okay? Use your notes. You are building a cylindrical packing tube. You want the length of the tube to be 30 inches. So just as a little visual aid, packing tube, and its length is 30 inches, and the volume is 589 cubic inches. What should the radius of the base be? So we are looking for the radius of the base. Okay? I hope you can see that. Yeah. Okay, so let's use this stuff. Let's plug in what we do have and we'll work our way backwards. We have volume. So 589 cubic inches is going to equal the area of the base, which is pi r squared. We don't have r, that's what we're trying to find, but we do have the height, which is 30 inches. Now I have an equation. I'll use algebra and try to get r all by itself. And you know how to do that, I know how to do that, and we're going to do that. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 30 inches. And 589 divided by 30 is 19.63. .63 inches squared, because you have inches down here, you have inches cubed here. You cancel that one, and that 3 goes to a 2, equals pi r squared. Now let's get rid of the pi on both sides. Or get rid of the pi by doing division of pi on both sides. And 19.63 divided by pi is approximately 6.25. I'm going to round it to 0.25, and that's inches squared still, equals r squared. How do we get r by itself? We take the square root of both sides. So my radius is square root of 6.25, 2.5 inches. All right, I hope you can see. Yes, you can. So our radius is 2.5 inches. Is that correct? Let's double check. 2.5 inches. We are smart. Yes, we are. There we go.